Hello, friends. Today I am going to share with you how to find your best meditation style. I hope this will help you a lot. Now let's get started. Learning to meditate can be highly beneficial for your physical and mental health. If you are new to the art of meditation, then you might assume that there is only one way of meditating. However, did you know that there are several styles of meditation? Here are a few popular techniques. How to find the right technique. You may not have the spare time to test out every meditation style. The techniques that work best for you will depend on your goals, so before you begin to meditate, consider what it is you want to get out of meditation. For example, you might want to get into a better sleeping routine, or you might struggle to relax and are using meditation as a method of doing that. If you do have some free time to try out varying styles, then consider how your mind and body feels after each technique. Is there one technique that makes you feel better than others? You may want to mix up certain styles to make it more interesting for yourself, and to reward yourself with the maximum benefits. Different styles. 1. Mindfulness meditation. A popular technique is mindfulness meditation. With this style, you allow yourself to focus on the present, rather than the past or future. It involves paying attention to your thoughts and collating them, so you avoid fighting with your emotions. This method of meditating is extremely helpful for providing an inner sense of calm, while being able to deal with challenging situations in life. We are able to connect with our deeper self, and become happier with who we are. 2. Focused meditation. This technique involves focusing on one of your senses. This style of meditation tends to be easier for beginners as your thoughts are specifically focused on one thing, such as a visual image, scent, or sound. This style calms the mind and prevents worrying. 3. Mantra meditation. This is a style of meditation that you are probably aware of. It involves chanting, whether that's loudly or quietly, a mantra or set of words. This technique is good for preventing distracting thoughts and providing a more intense style of meditation. 4. Movement meditation. The method of meditation involves being active and is an ideal style for those who struggle with being completely still. This type of meditation could comprise of moving around a room, or even walking as you meditate. You could even participate in movement meditation while in public or at work. It offers the same benefits as other techniques and is perfect for those who lead busy lifestyles. 5. Guided meditation. Guided meditation offers a style that includes another person or voice. That might be an instructor at a class, or an audio like Zen 12 brainwave meditation program, which you can use at home. Guided meditation is ideal for those who feel uncomfortable meditating on their own. If you suffer with distracting thoughts and keeping focused during other techniques, a guided approach can be an effective solution. Click the link below to download free Brainwave Meditate audio now. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos and hit the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.